Have you ever felt like life has lost its color, as if everything around you is moving, but inside you feel stuck? Depression is often silent. It doesn't always show up as tears or sadness. It hides behind everyday life, making people think, "I'm just tired," or "it's just stress." But the truth is, depression can creep in slowly, and the earlier we notice the signs, the easier it is to take back control of life. Today I want to share the silent signs of depression that most people ignore. And more importantly, simple and effective solutions to start feeling better. And if you relate to any of these, leave a comment. You never know. Your comment could be the first step to healing, or it could help someone else feel less alone. Silent signs of depression. Losing interest in things you once loved. Think about the things that used to make you excited. Maybe cooking, reading, or meeting friends. If now, even the thought of doing them feels heavy, that's a major warning sign. Depression steals the spark from your passions and hobbies. Extreme changes in sleep. Do you sleep for hours and still feel exhausted? Or lie in bed wide awake even when you're tired? Depression often disturbs the body's natural rhythm. Sleep patterns that suddenly change without reason can be a quiet signal. Feeling tired all the time. This isn't normal tiredness that goes away with rest. It's the kind where getting out of bed feels like climbing a mountain. Even small tasks like showering or making breakfast feel like a struggle. Difficulty focusing. Have you noticed that reading a simple page or watching a TV show feels impossible to follow? Depression often clouds the brain, making focus and decision-making extremely hard. Feeling disconnected from people. You may avoid calls, ignore texts, or feel like nobody understands you anymore. Even being around loved ones might not feel the same, like there's an invisible wall between you and the world. Emotional numbness. One of the most silent signs is not sadness, but nothingness. When emotions fade and life feels empty, that's depression silently taking hold. Changes in eating habits. Eating too much or too little without any reason is another hidden indicator. Some people lose appetite completely, while others use food to fill the emotional void. Practical solutions to start feeling better. The good news is depression is treatable. Small steps daily can make a huge difference. Here are some simple but powerful solutions to begin your journey back to happiness. Talk to someone you trust. Depression feeds on isolation. Reaching out to a friend, family member, or mentor can lift a huge weight from your heart. Even if they can't fix everything, simply talking helps release the pressure inside. Move your body. Exercise isn't just for fitness, it's medicine for the brain. Even a 10-minute walk in sunlight can release endorphins and start clearing mental fog. Start small, but be consistent. Stick to a routine. Depression loves chaos. Even if your routine is simple, wake up, shower, have breakfast, walk, read, sticking to it gives your mind a sense of stability. Limit social media and negative news. Constant scrolling can make depression worse. Instead, spend time on things that inspire and relax you. Real-life connection and hobbies heal faster than endless online noise. Write down your thoughts. Journaling helps more than people realize. Putting your emotions on paper releases the mental load. It's like talking to yourself on paper, private, safe, and healing. Seek professional help without shame. Depression is not weakness. It's a health condition, just like a fever or injury. Therapists, counselors, and doctors are trained to guide you with proper tools and treatment. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Celebrate small wins. Did you get out of bed on time today? Celebrate it. Took a walk? Celebrate it. Tiny victories add up and slowly rebuild self-confidence. Depression whispers before it shouts. If any of these signs feel familiar, please leave a comment below. Share your experience, even if it's just a single line. Your story could remind someone else that they're not alone and that healing is possible. And if this video helped you even a little, subscribe to my Dr. Hub for more life-changing health tips. Your support means we can reach more people, raise awareness, and help thousands feel better. Don't let depression win. Together, we can fight it.